We know how busy life can get. We count on our heating, cooling, and plumbing systems to keep our home running smoothly because we just don't have time for problems. That's why Goettl is excited to tell you about our maintenance program that gives you total peace of mind about your home comfort systems. Goettl's Smart Sadie program is the easiest and most cost-efficient way to take care of your total home comfort and get the most out of your HVAC and plumbing systems. It's a relationship with Goettl enhanced by smart home technology, guaranteeing reliable solutions to any home comfort problem that may arise. More on that in a bit. First, the easiest way to keep up with your home systems is with regular maintenance that extends your HVAC equipment's lifespan, plus it uncovers and addresses potential home hazards, provides healthier indoor air quality, and results in energy savings and peace of mind. So here's how Goettl's Smart Sadie works. Once you become a member, Goettl will come out and install a few simple sensors around your home, including your air filter, water heater, and air vent. Smart sensors provide 24/7 remote alert system for your AC, heating, and plumbing. They are connected through the internet. Both you and Goettl will be able to track your system's performance, like your air filter life, through the Smart Sadie app. If there's an issue with your system, Goettl will be notified. We'll reach out to schedule a maintenance or repair, or you can schedule with us directly using the Smart Sadie app. These early notifications allow us to detect water leaks before catastrophic damage, quickly catch small problems before they become expensive, and alert you when it's time to replace your air filter. That's what puts the smart in Smart Sadie. But members will also receive great benefits like no diagnostic fees, trip charges, or holiday rates. A yearly $25 credit for air filters that you can purchase directly through the Smart Sadie app. A monthly loyalty credit to use towards equipment, a complimentary drain clearing, camera inspection, water quality test, and a rejuvenation, plus more. If you have any questions about the Smart Sadie maintenance program, just give us a call or visit our website.